European shares gain. Asia falls as trade conflicts deepen. A man looks at an electronic stock board showing Japan's Nikkei 225 index at a securities firm in Tokyo Friday, June 1, 2018. Shares were mostly higher in Asia on Friday after U.S. stocks slid amid mounting trade tensions. U.S. benchmarks fell after the Trump administration said it is imposing tariffs on steel and aluminum imported from Europe, Canada and Mexico. AP photo, Eugene Hashiko. Shares prices were higher in Europe on Friday after most major Asian benchmarks fell amid mounting trade tensions. Keeping score, Germany's DAX gained 0.8% to 12,706.48 and the CAC 40 in France jumped 1.2% to 5,461.90. Britain's FTSE 100 climbed 0.7% to 7,733.12. Wall Street looked set for gains, with the future for the S. Asian scorecard, Japan's Nikkei 225 index fell 0.1% to 22,171.35 and the Shanghai Composite Index tumbled 0.7% to 3,075.14. PS. Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index clawed back losses to gain 0.1%, ending at 30,492.91. The Kospi in South Korea jumped 0.7% to 2,438.96 and shares in Southeast Asia were mixed. Trade moves. The Trump administration delivered a gut punch to America's closest allies, imposing tariffs on steel and aluminum from Europe, Mexico and Canada in a move that drew immediate vows of retaliation. The parties will likely keep negotiating, and contentious talks between the U.S. and China are due to resume during the weekend. Experts say a trade war remains a remote possibility, but the disputes have been weighing on the markets for months. Italian politics. Italy's anti-establishment five-star movement and right-wing league succeeded Thursday in forming Western Europe's first populist government. It will be headed by a political novice whose first try was rejected 4 days earlier as too risky for the Italian economy, but the outcome avoids an interim, technical government and a swift return to the polls that investors had feared could end up being a referendum on staying with the euro currency. The quote, "The markets are looking much more constructive to end the week than they did to start, and with trade wars still lingering, that is saying a lot," Stephen Inasavawanda said in a commentary. And despite all the doom and gloom prophecies, the Italian political mindbender ended up being little more than a tempest in an espresso cup. Energy, U.S. Crude oil gained 12 cents to $67.16 per barrel in electronic trading on the New York Mercantile Exchange. It lost 1.7% to $67.04 a barrel on Thursday. Brent crude, used to price international oils, picked up 5 cents to $77.61 per barrel. Currencies. The dollar rose to 109 yen and 13 cents from 108 yen and 83 cents. The euro fell to $1.1686 from $1.1695. Copyright 2018 The Associated Press. All rights reserved. This material may not be published, broadcast, written or redistributed.